Hi, welcome to the Polishcious Nail family. My name is Lisa. If you're returning, I love you. Thank you so much. Really, I love you all. But if you are new, hit that subscribe, join our little channel, and the like button, and the notification bell so you are notified when I upload a new video. Today I have some stamping. We are going to be using CjS's C-84, which is a plaid stamping plate. We also have, see if I can get them all in my hand here. Yep. The new spring polish set. And then we also are using Cocoa and Claire gel luxury polishes on the nails. We have Fuzzy Duckling on these three here. And then the mint one, is it fresh mint? It is. Okay, so let me just give you the numbers here. Fuzzy Duckling is 151. And this is fresh mint. It's a gorgeous, I love mint. Oh, it's 154. Isn't that beautiful? So we are going to play. I watched Debbie, shout out to Debbie from Clear Jelly Stamper, use this plate. Now I never got it at Christmas time, but I have the polishes that were released with both of them. I don't have the other one yet. I got this one, I liked it better. I don't know. Like it comes with this, which you put over the nail. And then on the back of this is like how you get, you know, so those two are the same color. Then you do the same color. Different color, different color, different color, different, and then you get that. But we're just gonna wing it. Okay, here we are. We're gonna start with this nail. And we are going to use the blue and the pink. So we're gonna do one blue and one pink. And if you see I jiggle it, because I kind of open them all, I am the worst at spilling stuff. So I was just like, had to make it so I could jiggle it. So I wouldn't spill the whole thing. And then pick in here, and I'm like, no, let's go pink. It turned out really cute. This plate was fantastic. Like first pickup, I'm pretty sure this is the first pickup. Yep, I'm cleaning it. Please tell me, like, look at that. I was so impressed with that pickup. It worked perfectly. And I've been having trouble with, pardon me, I'm sorry, my throat, I'm clearing frogs. But I've been having problems with thick, like plates that have just like a wide or like deep well. It's just really hard for me to pick it up. But these were working really great. And so I had to add extra. That's what I'm doing right here. Sorry about that. I had a little distraction there come in. But I was saying that I had to add a little extra on the bottom of the nail, which actually I can see, but once you get the design on, you couldn't really see it. But, so then I'm doing this here, and I'm doing turquoise on one of the doubles, purple on one of the doubles, and then green on the top and the bottom. I thought it would be perfect. These were thin enough. And they just, again, I'm just so proud of myself having trouble with these. I can't even speak how excited I was for how well I did. But I am here off camera cleaning up. And then here we go. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? For somebody who's new to stamping, who's a hand painter, I just was so excited with this. And I do play all the time. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I just thought, thank you, Deb, from Clear Jelly Stamper. Yes, she's the one that inspired me to get the plate and to try it with the polishes. So here, what we're doing is the same as the other nail, but we're putting the blue on the right and the pink in the middle, so it kind of is equal. It looks, I don't know, in my eyes, it looks better, proper, yeah. And so then we do the same across with these. We've got the green, the purple, the turquoise, and then we just, and it's like as flat. From what she taught me to put the scrapers flat to the plate as possible, and it actually is the smartest thing I've heard, and that's how I do so well with these. So here I'm just cleaning it, and then we're just going to add the lines. And of course on this one, with the first set of lines, I did have to add extra like I did. I do with all the yellow nails, add extra. So here, I was off camera, so it's just not in there. But I used, if you can see, looking, the top right two as the gold accents is what I used. And then for the middle nail, I used the orange. I will list all the colors down below. They are in the pack. But I use the blue, the purple, the turquoise. I use everything but one of them, I think. And then I just do the same across. Purple, turquoise, green, green. And the orange looked great over top of Fuzzy Duckling. And there we are. And so we have done the stamping part. Here we're going to use this plate. I wish I'd written the names down. You're probably going to see them on the screen here. But they've got two daffodils. So my idea was, now I call it reverse stamping. I don't think that's what it's called, but Deb from original Clear Jelly Stamper taught me how to have two stampers. And if you want to take the image, so the image on the plate would be, you add it to like the very right nail. You just stamp, apply. So what I've done is I take it, I stamp it, flip it over, stamp it onto another stamp so that it would be facing inwards. Oh, does that make sense? I don't remember what the word was. I had it written down. But I call it reverse stamping because you're reversing the image. But I know that filling in the stamp is reverse stamping, so let me know in the comments below what is the word I'm trying to say that I'm frustrated in speaking in my voiceover about. But it was really, it took me a long time. You don't see it, it took me about an hour of flipping it and flipping it and flipping. And what it was is I had to get a smaller stamp to flip the image. So that's what I did for daffodils on both sides. And in the middle nail, I actually put the Clear Jelly Stamper symbol on there like that. I think it looks really cute. It was really perfect. All right, here we go. I think they're adorable. Of course they're matte because that's just me, but I think I did a really good job reversing those because that's the right way, and then flipped it. I did put this one too close, I realized, which is fine. This was originally how I had it. This happened. That's okay. It's my first time reversing stuff and fixing and doing. This isn't my first time using this plate, although it is using these because the nails were shorter. And then with the nails being shorter, that's not the right one. With the nails being shorter, I used this one. So instead, I use these, which is still fine. I still think it looks cute. You know, and I got the little Clear Jelly Stamper in there with the heart. It was at the bottom of the plate here, right here. Little heart there, kept it. Why not, right? It's cute. But yeah, so there are those two plates. And the amazing gel color from Coco and Claire. I will leave everything linked below. If I can't find the colors on CjS, I will link them from Coco and Claire's site. But there you are. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. See you on my next video. Bye!